Hi everyone, welcome to Focal Academy. In this video, we are going to solve two Python programs which was occurred in interview. So the first Python program was given as write a program, find the length of list and file all index of digit 7 in the given data. So here one list data is given. So in that, find length of list means count all items. So means how many items are there in the given list. In next step, find all index of 7 means find the positions of 7. So here at index equal to 1, 7 is there. At index equal to 3, 7 is there. Like that, find all index of 7 in the given list. How can you find the index of given list? This is the first program. Now come to Python program. So before going to Python program, copy this given data. Now assign the name of that data. So the given data is, this is the given data. First of all, find length of data. So print length of data is length of data. So this is the length of method for finding the length of data, means find length of list data or tuples data. We are going to find length for any given inbuilt data structure. Okay, now run the code. It returns length of data is 45, means it contains totally 45 items in the given list. Now next question is find all index of digit 7. So first of all, count how many 7 digits are there in the given data. Print data.count. So this is a count method. I am going to apply it. I am going to count digit 7. Then I am going to print it. Now run the code. Totally 12 items of 7 is there in the given data. Now find the index of all 12 items in the given list. So for that, I am going to take, first of all, I am going to take location 0. I will say why I am taking location equal 0. Wait, for I in range of total how many 7s are there, that is data.count of 7. Next, print location, that means print index of 7. So print index of 7. So take as a string data dot index of 7. So it means 7 is finded in data the index location. Okay, so I am going to check defaultly from location 0. Okay, so from that I am going to find it at location 1. It returns 1 location. Okay, for that I am going to take index is location. So this is a location here. I am going to pause in this. That means it was going to check from 0. Okay, so after that it find first 7 index location that was printed. Next I am going to update the index location, means this location was I am going to update. So that is location will be updated, location equal to data dot index 7 comma location. This is the previous location. So from afterwards plus 1. So from that the new location was going to check for another 7 index. This is the process. Okay, now first of all run the code now here. Then we get, now see here, first of all we find the length of data, that is we got 45. Next we count 7. totally 12 items are there. Next, index of 7 is at 1, index of 7 at 3. So take here at so index of 7 is at 1. Okay, first. So this was be here. I'm going to update it at +2. So +2 means at location 2. So from here, now I'm going to check from here what is the 7th index location. That is I'm going to get here. That is 3. Next I'm going to update that 3 plus 1 4. So from that I'm going to check the index of 7. So then I got the 7 here. That is 8th location. So this is the process of running of code. Next, come to next program. So in the second program, count all items, how many times is repeated in the given data. So this is another new data is given. So in that, how can you find 18 was repeated, how many times was repeated. Next 26 is how many times was repeated in this data. So first of all, copy this data. Now come to Python. So I'm taking another new Python file. You take the data equal to given data. So this is given data. Now I'm going to count all items. So 18 was how many times was repeated. Next 26 was how many times of repeated. So first of all, I am going to remove the duplicates. So by using set method. So that is new data equal to set of, I am going to set operated means I am going to convert into listed setter. Print n data, that is new data. So here totally we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So these items only was exist in the given data, but they are repeated. 18 was repeated, 26 is repeated, 25 is repeated. Now we are going to count that how many times repeated. Here we have only first of all I find the length of this. So print length of n data. So totally we have 13 items are there. So that was repeated. Okay. So here also print data length, given data length. So this is the data length is 35 totally, and we have without the duplicates we have 30 items are there. So that are 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 up to 27 are there. But according to the problem, here find all items how many times repeated. That means, so find 15 is how many times repeated. Okay. So take the for loop here. For I in range. So range here totally how many items are there here? 13 is there. So that is length of n data. Or we can take data out directly here without taking range. So directly I am going to pass the values instead of range. Okay. Now print how many times it is repeated. Print string of I is repeated data dot count of I times. So this is string. Now run the code. Okay, we got the output here. So first of all, I am taking the data end data here. So in that end data we have some 15 is there. So first of all, I take as 15 here I value. So that was I'm going to convert as string, that is 15 is repeated. Now I check this I value in the given data. How many times was counted? That is data dot count of 5. So is repeated 3 times is repeated. 15 is 3 times repeated. Like the 16 is 3 times repeated. 18 3 times. 19 is repeated 1 time. So like that we have all the data is repeated. So this is the process of writing for count and index of digit 7. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share. Thanks.